On this episode of I Will Try It, I'm going to be trying this milk chocolate with gingerbread crumbs from IKEA. I freaking love IKEA. I have one that's about 25 minutes from me, so I'm all about IKEA foods, their stuff, everything. Let's not discuss how many bags I have. It's kind of a lot. Ooh, it is tons of ginger crumbs. I'm excited. For chocolate science. 1, 2, 3. So it's just a hint of the ginger cookie bites in there. Kind of like a crisp. The chocolate is really smooth though. Definitely try it.